I know, this is not my regular type of video, but I know a lot of people are interested in how to become a chopper and want to bang the line. So in this video, I'll be breaking down the step-by-step process how you can start banging and chopping the line. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Now I know some of the choppers are not going to like this, because guess what? You're going to be getting their strategy. No, you're going to be completing for their lead list, and you're going to be also getting some of their client. So now we're going to have a oversupply of choppers and their general income is going to decline. So now everybody is going to have a fair share of the pie, so everybody can live a comfortable life. Now I want to get a piece of pen and paper and start writing down the list of things why you want to chop. Whether it be that you want to retire your parents, you want to build a nice house, you want to drive a fancy car, you want to be debt free, you want to be financially free, whatever it is, just get a piece of paper and write it down. Now this step is really crucial. I want you to write down the list of things or the list of reasons that are stopping you from getting all the things that you just wrote down. Now cross out all those things that you just wrote down and write you on the list. The only person is stopping you is you, nothing else. So you're gonna just get rid of that blame list completely and make sure you are the person you blame for everything. You need to take responsibility for everything. It's not the government's fault, it's not your employer's fault, it's not the weather's fault, it's not your location, it's you. Now make sure you're still with me now, because at the end of this video now we're going to be banging and chopping the line properly.
Me a chop the line and the line get chopped. The line get chopped. Me a bang the line and the line get bang. But say the line get bang.
So you're going to be picking a client from this list, whether it be YouTube channel, a blog, an ebook, a physical book, right? Whether it's going to be stocks, whether it's going to be trading forex, whether you're going to start a physical business. Those are the clients you need to start thinking about. Those are the clients you need to start chopping. These clients, once you start getting it right, they have unlimited returns. Like, you don't have to get up and call them each and every day. They are the one who will call you sometimes. They are going to be sending you like all an email notification and say, hey, you have some money today. And that's how you need to start banging and chopping the line. Now at this point, I don't want to really go ahead and make the mistake that a lot of choppers make, right? You see, once those clients start to put money in your pocket, you're going to be putting money back in the client's pocket so the client can put more money in your pocket. Do you get what I'm saying? And do not forget your budget. Make sure you're managing the money properly. So you're not going to be taking the money and buy foolishness now, you know. You're going to be ensuring that you're acquiring more assets to feed more money into your pocket just the same. Yeah, I know you all work hard and all of that, and you're gonna say, boy, you can't find the time sometime. But here's the thing, you can find time. Make sure you manage your social media time properly. At the end of the day, check your social media usage, check how much time you're spending on your phone, and make sure if you're spending like say 8 hours, try and cut down that 8 hours to 4 hours and use four of it and dedicate it to chopping one of those clients that I mentioned before. Now let's say before COVID-19 you used to go to work and now you're working from home, right? Guess what? You see the travel time that you used to spend in traffic time to and from, you see the early time that the early hours that you used to wake up, those are the time that you need to put together now and get like an extra block of 3 or 4 hours, just like that, and dedicate it to one of those clients. Trust me, I'm telling you, this work. You're on your way to become one of the minority in society, one of the guys who don't complain about their problems and work on solution. Because a lot of people, sometimes they give them the solution, they immediately start to counter and give you reasons to why it can't work and start complaining about it, right? So you're not that type of person anymore after watching this video. You're going to be hitting it, working hard and putting in the effort, right? And now you have to understand that when you start the journey of developing yourself, you're going to realize that some of your friends that you used to be friends with, like you and them won't be able to reason on the same level again. Some of them even might start pre you and say, yo, you switch, but when you start show them the path and them now want to come with you, well, you have to go just leave them behind, just like that. Listen, when you start show your friends these things, right, and they're going to be ignoring you now. 10 years down the line, when you show them the results and say, yo, you know, I was doing this thing, right? If you never showed them in the beginning, in the end, they are the same ones who are going to pre you, like give you the bad look and say, yo, you know all of this and you never shared it with me. So that's how people operate. I don't know why, but that's just human nature. So make sure you share this video with one friend and help a friend today. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.